Can somebody of normal weight fast? Absolutely. There's lots of other benefits to fasting that people will do. So if you look at the reasons people fast, there's spiritual reasons, there's religious reasons, and certainly people of normal weight do very well. The average weight loss during fasting is roughly half a pound of fat per day. So if you think about it, a pound of fat is roughly 3,500 calories. If you eat about 1,800, 2,000 calories a day, it's about 2 full days to lose 1 pound of fat. So for an average person, if they want to fast for 1 day, assuming that they have half a pound of extra fat, they're perfectly safe to do so. Most people have well in excess of that. There are certain people who shouldn't fast. If you are severely underweight, so if your body mass index, for example, is under 18.5, you're classified as underweight, but really anybody under 20 should be a little bit careful about that. If you are under 18, if you're pregnant or breastfeeding, you should not fast because those are periods where your body does need nutrients to grow. And there could be severe permanent damage if you don't have adequate nutrition. So those are states that it would be, again, unwise to fast, especially for long periods of time. It's not to say you couldn't skip a meal here and there. We've all done that. But don't deliberately try to extend your fast. But for people of normal weight, I think that there's no reason why they couldn't fast. The other benefits, which are more theoretical, some people find that they concentrate better, for example, when they're not eating. Some people find their energy is improved when they're not eating. Some people find that they need more time, so they don't eat. So there's lots of different reasons, and there's no reason that they should be afraid of it.